Here are 5 things I'll do if I was starting a new YouTube channel in 2025. Hi, my name is Onyinye and you're welcome to my channel. So as we wrap up the year 2024, a lot of people have it in their 2025 goals to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. Now, having been on YouTube for a couple of years, here are 5 things I would do if I'm to start a new YouTube channel in 2025. The first one is to create as much content as possible so that I can keep up with consistency. Now, YouTube rewards consistency a lot. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. YouTube is not a platform where you come and upload today and then you go and sleep for 1 month and then in 2 months' time you come back to upload again. The algorithm isn't going to push out your content if you're not consistent. YouTube is like a marathon. It's not a race, okay? If I'm to start a new YouTube channel, I'll make sure I've filmed a couple of content which I can schedule out on my channel to maintain consistency. You can decide on your upload days, okay? If you want to upload every day, if you can meet up with uploading every day, if you can meet up with uploading every 3 days, if you can meet up with uploading 3 times a week, whatever it is you want your consistency to be, you need to maintain a certain level of consistency for the YouTube algorithm to push out your content for viewers to see you. Because if the algorithm doesn't push out your content, nobody is going to watch that content except those that are already established on other platforms. They can go over to those other platforms and tell their followers to come over to YouTube and show them love and all, which is different. If you're just starting out on YouTube, you're not established on any other platform and you're just starting from ground zero. If I'm to start a new YouTube channel, I'll make sure I have a couple of content already filmed. That way I can schedule them out on my channel and keep up with consistency. That way the YouTube algorithm will see that this creator is serious about posting, creating content on YouTube, and they will keep pushing out my content. The second thing I will do is to create searchable content. Now, as someone that is just starting out, you're starting from ground zero, you need to create searchable content that when people search for, your videos will pop up, because people don't watch people they don't know. Okay, viewers on YouTube don't watch people they don't know. Is when they search for something. YouTube is a search engine. When someone comes on YouTube and type out on the search bar, let's say how to do your makeup for the first time as a black girl, and your content is about makeup. When the person types into the search bar what they are searching for and is related to your content will be among the videos that will pop up for that person to select from. But if you're just starting out and you're not making searchable content, to be honest, your videos won't fly. Like, your videos won't get much views, because people need to know you, people need to see you before they can watch you. If they search and they can't see you, that means they won't watch you. That is why you need to create searchable content. So my second point is I will create searchable content. As you're making lots of videos, make sure the content you're making are searchable. Like, let it be something people are looking for. People are always searching for things. No matter the kind of content you want to create, there must be a way you can make it. There must be a way you can fine-tune it to meet the needs of, if someone comes on YouTube and searches for something that relates to that type of content, your content will come up, like your videos will pop up for that person to see you. That's also a way to grow on YouTube. The next thing I'll do is to be myself. When you're starting out on YouTube, you need to be yourself. If you're trying to be like some other creator, you're copying another creator's style, people will see that you're not being genuine. When you're being fake, it irritates people that are watching you, because for someone to stop by your channel and watch your content, that means that person is giving their time and energy and their data or Wi-Fi to watch your content. When you're being fake and not being yourself, your viewers can see it, they'll know. So it's best to be yourself so that people will like you for who you are. If you start copying and faking to be like other creators, over time you get tired of it, and when you now start showing people the real you, they'll no longer be interested in whatever it is you need to show them. From the beginning, start being yourself instead of trying to copy some other creators. It's good to admire other people, it's good to get inspiration from them, but copying them right down to their personality, it's irritating, and like, it's not okay. It reeks of low self-esteem. So be yourself. Being yourself will get you your own crowd, people who will stick with you, people who will build a community with you, because YouTube is all about community. Okay, you need a community of people where it will be like a safe space where you can create content and they will enjoy your content. The fourth thing I'll do is to create a balance between long form content and short form content. Whether we like it or not, shorts has come to stay on YouTube. Okay, in as much as YouTube was known for long form content, now that they introduced short form content few years ago, you need to capitalize on whatever feature a platform you're using introduces. Just know that they're going to push that new feature more than what they had previously. So you need to utilize both long form content and short form content. That way you can have a mix of the audience. Okay, there are people who prefer long form content and there are people who prefer short form content. Now, if you're creating only long form content, you're not maximizing your potential as a YouTube creator. So you need to create both long form content and short form content. An easier way to do it is, after creating a long form content, you can take a few seconds of that long form content and make them into shorts and upload as your short form content. Okay, that way the shorts will serve as a highlight for the long form videos. Now, when someone watches your shorts and they're interested in what it is that you're doing in the shorts or you're saying in the shorts, they can go through your channel and find the long form version and watch it. And then when people who aren't interested in long form content, they can watch your shorts. Okay, either way it's a win-win for you. So utilize long form content and utilize short form content. The fifth thing I'll be doing if I'm to start a new YouTube channel in 2025 is, do not niche down. Okay, niching down is basically putting yourself in a box, because why put yourself in a box when you can fly? It's best to be the niche. Okay, be the niche so that you can create whatever content you create, your audience will eat it up. But if you niche down, if you make, let's say for example, you make your channel about only how to do makeup, that means you can't introduce any other aspects aside how to do makeup, which is doing yourself a disadvantage, considering the fact that nobody's charging you for exploring other aspects of content creation, but you are choosing to put yourself in a box. So you're doing yourself a great disadvantage if you're niching down. I always advise people to be the niche. It's better that you become the niche. You as a person, be the niche, so that whatever kind of content you make, your audience are still going to eat it up. Your audience will watch. So, but if you box up yourself, that means you're only attracting those specific people that are interested in one single niche, and you're doing a disservice to yourself. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you got one or two things from it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.